Meaning of hands down.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Hands down. Hands down is an idiomatic expression that means something is indisputably or undeniably the best or easiest option. It's often used to emphasize a clear superiority or to express a lack of competition or challenge. For example, if someone says Stephen Curry is hands down the best shooter in the NBA, it means there is no doubt about his skill and ability compared to other players. Similarly, if someone says that was hands down the easiest test I've ever taken, it means the test was incredibly simple and required little effort to complete.